Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with a look at any weather worries that we may be looking at here on this Friday through the next 10 days. And of course, the biggest worry for folks near the East Coast will be Hurricane Erin. Again, it was upgraded to a hurricane this morning. Maximum sustained winds now sitting at 75 miles per hour as of this recording. And it does appear as if Erin will be moving over warmer waters, and as a result, it will be gaining some strength. It could become a major hurricane this weekend and could become a Category 4 storm by the time we close out Sunday. Notice the turn towards the north, which will begin to take place during the first half of next week. Then it appears that Erin will move towards the northeast, and it still looks promising that we will see the storm miss the East Coast. However, notice this cone here around the track from the Hurricane Center. This is the average error of these forecasts. So you can see the left edge of this could come fairly close to the coast of North Carolina. So interest, especially in the mid-Atlantic, you need to watch this very closely. Obviously, this track means that Erin will not pose a worry for the Architects. Here, our main worry is going to be heat. As we look at the 10-day pattern here, you can see the upper level ridging, which is already building in. That's the reason why rainfall chances will be very limited here. That'll be the case through the weekend. And then the ridge centers itself over the Great Basin. We'll see a trough develop over the eastern half of the country. That may allow a frontal boundary to dip to the south, enhancing our chance for some showers and thunderstorms during the last half of next week. Then that ridge will try to reestablish itself across the lower Mississippi Valley as we close the 10-day period a week from Monday. So all that being said, the main concern, as I mentioned, is going to be the heat. We do have a heat advisory in place for tomorrow. And if you look at the next 10 days of the heat index, 105 to 110 possible through Wednesday. A little bit of a break here towards the end of next week, but you can see the heat does start to rebuild as we move through next weekend. So all that being said, your weather worry index for today for the next 10 days will remain at 2, with heat being our biggest concern. We'll have to keep an eye on the possibility of thunderstorms towards the last half of next week, but severe weather issues even then looking a bit minimal, although of course any thunderstorm can produce some rather gusty wind. So here are the details on what's ahead for the next 10 days. Upper 90s to near 100 degrees from basically now through Wednesday of next week. Lows in the mid to upper 70s. We will see a decent shot for some scattered showers and thunderstorms Thursday and Friday, with slightly cooler temperatures as daytime highs will ease back into the middle 90s. Lows also could cool down into the low to middle 70s.